and thank you for joining us for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 teardown video, part of the TechInsights teardown video series. Announced on July 9th, this is the second year in a row that Samsung has launched its Flip and Fold series flagships in July, a month which has always been quiet in regards to smartphone releases. This is the first time the Galaxy Z Flip is using a Samsung Exynos platform for the US and other international models. And although the new Samsung Exynos 2500 with the embedded Exynos 5400 5G modem supports both FR1 and FR2, which are also known as sub-6 and mmWave 5G respectively, only the US models will have support for 5G mmWave bands. Registered TechInsights users can watch the complete general Samsung Galaxy Z Flip teardown video on the TechInsights platform in the next few days. We will also have a more exclusive video for our subscribers, which will include our early insights of the Galaxy Z Flip 7's component part numbers and its estimated build cost.